What's up guys, Stevie J here with Beyond the Details with another unboxing slash first impressions on a product I have here for you, which is the Logitech Z623. This big boy right here. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, give you my first impressions. As I'm unboxing, I'll do a little bit of speaking on a little bit of the specs for you guys who are interested in that type of stuff. I'll let you guys know how I gotta have my fancy butter knife here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get it open. I'm actually going to compare it with my previous one, which is a Z333, excuse me. So yeah, after you cut these two tabs, you have tab here, tab here. You're going to have a tab here. And then that should be it. Just gonna try to get this open. I'm real anal with boxes. I don't like messing my boxes up, so mind you guys. Okay. You have another one right here. And we're in there. I got this on sale for $119.99 at Best Buy. Traditionally, I believe it's $149.99. I might bootleg it. Let's bootleg it. This subwoofer is huge. Great. I'm a big car audio guy, so I mean it's not like a crazy heavy subwoofer, but for a computer speaker, it feels very, very sturdy. Has a lot of heft to it. Show you guys what it looks like. I don't really know what it looks like, minus photos. Yeah. Okay, as far as your ports, you guys can see here, your auxiliary, you're in 3.5, and your, I forgot what this speaker, forgot what this port is, but it does not have the optical. That's for the Z625 or whatever, the model right above this. Okay. Feel good, surprisingly. I don't want to say surprising, they feel good. Okay. Auxiliary 3.5. Power, volume, bass. THX certified, of course. So as you can see, only one of them is going to be controlling the volume. This one is not going to have any type of power, the volume, or the bass knob, so it's going to go through here. Put this here for now. And you have your 3.5 or 0, whatever, to connect them. A little pamphlet, and really that's it. Actually, I'll show you guys to compare this in size with my old one, so that's all you get in the box. And my first impressions is it feels way better than my last one. But I want to hear it's how it sounds, and actually let me compare it. Let's compare it. This is what I've had here for about 2 years. It's good for me. I live in an apartment complex. I mean, they sound great to me. You know, I really don't play it too loud. You know. This is just what happens. This is a Z333, I believe it is. The Z333. Okay, look at it. Look at these. I mean, night and day. Night and day. Look at the subwoofer. I mean, come on. Look at the subwoofer size. It's crazy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my review on what the quality of this is. Once I go ahead and cook it up and everything. I have a couple of other videos I want to get to, but yeah, so thanks for watching. I know it's kind of sloppy, but I want to get this video out. Yeah, thanks guys. Peace.